Hi, thank you for watching. I'm Linda Ann Stewart, a vision empowerment coach. Now, everybody has bad days, right? I mean, when you're having one, it's hard to get anything done, isn't it? You feel like you're wading through molasses. You know that you're fighting an uphill battle with your attitude. And it seems like if anything can go wrong, it does go wrong. And you realize that if you can shift your mood to a better one, everything flows more smoothly, right? What if I told you there was one small action that you could take that could boost your attitude, lower your stress, and you'd be happier? Would you try it? I certainly would. So, believe it or not, it's something as simple as smiling. Now, please bear with me. I know when you're feeling down, the last thing you want to do is smile. But smiling, whether you mean it or not, will make you feel better. It stimulates your brain into a more positive state, fooling it into thinking that you are actually feeling good. The old cliche, fake it until you make it, is very true in this situation. The brain cannot tell if your smile is real or forced. So, my first tip is going to look very silly, but try it. You have nothing to lose except your dignity. So, when you are not feeling like smiling, but you want to feel better, take a pen or a pencil and put it between your teeth. Looks silly, right? But notice how it activates the same muscles that you use when you're smiling. The muscles at the corner of your mouth turn up, and your brain doesn't know that you are just pretending. So hold it for a minute or so and then take it out. And then try smiling on your own and see if it isn't easier. Now, my second tip is to start the day by deliberately smiling for 30 seconds to a minute. That will set your day up to be more productive and you'll approach your work with a more positive attitude. When you're more positive, your day goes smoother, doesn't it? And so, my third tip is to do the same thing when you hit a slump or you start to feel stressed during the day. Smile for 30 seconds to a minute again, because it will cause you to be more upbeat, it will lower your stress, and it will energize you. So turn that smile, excuse me, turn that frown, let's do that. Turn the frown upside down. Yes, I know it's corny, but smiling will encourage your brain to shift into a more positive state. You'll look at your life differently. And when you change your attitude, then your responses and your life changes. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive more mindset coaching tips to improve your life. Thank you for watching. And remember, smile.